Booking questions. Sometimes you might need a little bit of extra information beyond the usual personal details specific to the appointment. Timely makes this easy with custom booking questions. Booking questions are an invaluable asset for hair and beauty businesses because they provide essential data. Think about this. How often do clients misjudge the length of their hair? By simply adding a booking question to confirm their hair length, you can avoid any misunderstandings. And if you have specific requirements like clients needing to be over the age of 18, or if you run a mobile business and you need their address, booking questions become a vital tool. These questions not only enhance the overall customer experience by ensuring clarity, but also streamline your business operations, making the entire process smoother and more efficient. To add custom booking questions, head to Setup, then Services. Click Edit. Next to the service you would like to add a question to. Scroll down to the Optional Booking Question section and click the Add a Booking Question. Add a question or requirement that asks your customers for the required information. Choose when you'd like the customer to be asked the question using the Require answer. Note, the setting only determines whether the question is required to be answered. Once added, it will always be displayed in both online booking and on the calendar when booking. Click Save to apply. If you have enabled penciled in appointments and are in the process of confirming your bookings, the information from the booking questions will be included in the email they receive. Client responses to booking questions are mandatory before they can actually proceed with their bookings. This is Hot Tips. I'm Sherri. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you all next time.